Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building a set of bag boards. Real easy. All you need is 3 2x4s or 1 by 2x3s, however you want to build your frame. I just get 2x4s because they're cheap, and then I rip them down I get 2x4s and I rip them down to 2x3s to make them a little bit lighter for the frame. But if you're able to buy 2x3s for cheaper, then you could go that route. And then 1 4x4 sheet of plywood, or 4x8, or however you want to do it. We just need to get 2 2x4 sheets out of it for the tops. The dimensions for bag boards are 24 inches wide by 48 inches long. The hole is placed 9 inches, the center of your 6-inch diameter hole is going to be placed 9 inches from the top, 12 inches over. And then the back should be about 12 inches off the ground when you put the legs on it, and the front should be touching the ground. I'm gonna go for folding legs, so I'm gonna round the tops, put bolts through them so I can fold them up, and yeah. So for cutting your boards, 2 of your 2x4s you're going to cut in half, and that is going to get you 4 48-inch long pieces, and those are going to be the sides of both boards. And then with the third one, you're going to cut 4 24-inch pieces, and that's going to be the top and bottom of the frame. And then I'm just going to rip I have a 4x4 sheet of plywood. I'm just going to rip it in half. That'll be my top. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to drill some pocket holes on the front and back board that will go into the sides of the 48-inch boards. Here is my 3-inch piece of wood from the nail to the end, so I'm going to use this to draw my circle. Alright, so here are my legs. They're not perfectly rounded on the top, but they don't really need to be. That is a 10-degree angle. The longest length is 11 inches, and then I go and round it off. This hole is exactly center, so it's a 2.5-inch leg, so it is 1.25 inch, 1.25 inch, and then 1.25 inch up. And then this hole here is drilled 1.25 inch down, and then 2 3/4 over, because it's 1.25 inch from the inside. And I'm just gonna use these bolts, put it through. I'm gonna put a washer between them, and then a washer on the outside with a lock nut, just so that way it slides a little easier, a little less friction. I got the hole cut in both of them. And then last part is I'm just gonna sand it, and then these will be going for custom boards. If you want to know what the custom boards look like when they're done, this is my design with my business logo on it. But we can do lots of different things. So what this is it's a vinyl stencil and then stained over the top. Is your home in need of a refreshing makeover and you don't know where to start? Look no further than Wojcik Bros LLC. Whether you need a beautiful new vinyl floor, custom woodworking to add a rustic touch, a fresh coat of paint to revive your walls, or cleaned gutters to protect your home, the Wojcik Bros can do it all. We are dedicated to delivering quality workmanship and an exceptional experience for you and your home. We take pride in offering a trustworthy, reliable service that won't leave you hanging. Seeing the job completed is just as important to us as it is to you. So don't settle for an outdated home. Give us a call and let Wojcik Bros LLC bring your home back to life.